Like, like the ex-manager, that
Yeah.
was legit toxicity. That was toxicity to its core. It's not toxicity here. Here it's just na samjhi. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, by a man, by
By
a boy.
a married boy.
Oh, he's married.
Yeah.
Oh God, I thought he's a kid.
No, he's married.
I think I've reached to that age where I feel everyone is a kid.
Talking about age, by the way, we're rolling.
I know.
Talking about age, our girly pop just had her birthday yesterday. Everyone in the comments
Woo.
wished this beautiful woman a belated happy birthday. I mean, when we're recording, then it was yesterday. Abhi, when it'll get posted, so y'all can do the math.
Now don't like do such a crazy math that you find out when was my birthday. It's okay. इतना pressure मत लो. इतना tension मत लो. Oh
So
my
yeah,
God.
how was birthday? What does it feel like?
It was great. The day went very good. It was very hot and it is still hot. एक तो I just want rain. I know I've never been this person who love rain because I come from a town where it rained continuously in the past few days. And it rained so heavily that my house ka garage got flooded. It was
What?
that, yeah, it was that bad. Like, so there are many houses जिनका ना थोड़ा नीचे है. You understand? Like नीचे है ऐसा. My house is a bit आपकी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के, आप 2-3 सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के then you go. So उसके बाद भी 2 और सीढ़ियाँ है, then the house flooring starts. तो never in my life have I ever noticed पानी गराज के अंदर जा रहा है या पानी घर के अंदर या फिर कहीं पे. This time it reached to our garage. Had it been raining like for let's say 48 hours 72 hours straight, मेरे नीचे वाले रेंटेड वालों के घर पे घुस जाता.
My.
It was that bad.
Scary, the nature scares are real.
Exactly. So I come from that town. I come from that place where rain is just a part and parcel of our lives. And then I went to Bangalore and then I saw more rain and I hated Bangalore for that. And then I came to Gurgaon. कौन सी मत्ती मारी गई थी मेरी.
सूखा अकाल.
I was talking to one of my friend yesterday and I was like, I don't like this place. He said, why? And I was like, यहाँ गर्मी हो तो पूरा गर्मी है, ठंड है तो पूरा ठंड है. There's no in between. There's no springy season. There's no autumn season as such. It was never like थोड़ी हल्की हल्की हवा चल रही है and then there's धूप. No, धूप means धूप, ऐसे थप्पड़ मारेगा धूप.
चुपती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया.
And winter means winter, ऐसे करने वाला. So I said no dude, I can't. And he said कि तुझे तो ठंड भी नहीं पसंद है, तुझे तो ठंड भी बहुत लगती है. And then I asked my mom, I was like, does everybody knows that I don't like winters?
You might have made some public announcement out there.
I guess I did for sure.
Yeah, I mean, I can relate to that. Like, some places have just extremes, like extreme of cold, extreme
Closer.
of garmi. I understand that.
Hmm.
For very synchronized though.
Yeah, but yeah, one more thing, I saw a reel from Udaipur and it was I think some crazy degree hot and there this one lady who got sunburnt like crazy.
Yeah.
Like वो skin patches निकल रहे थे. Was it
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah, fully. People here, the garmi is just not it. Like, something is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., 5:30 p.m. is just some hours you cannot step out. Those are some times where you just have your lunch, eat your drink your chach, and go to sleep. That's it. Because those are not some hours you step out. Because yeah, that's true. People are facing these sunburns. They are getting these sunstrokes, to be precise. It's just not it. I mean, most of the the roads are pretty empty during these hours. I mean, of course, if there's anything urgent and all, people are commuting, but mostly it's empty. Everyone's inside. And then suddenly it's evening and everyone's stepping out at the same time. Everyone's stepping out 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. getting their things done. So everything is so crowded, but no complaints because how else would someone else sleep? If they're leaving, then they're getting these kind of sunstrokes. I just can't Oh God. I mean, you might think that I like winters after bashing and bitching about summers like that. But see, now there's a good part. Get in your home, eat your food, eat your arm, drink your armrest, have your charge, go to sleep. Wake up at 6 and then go out. If your job allows you to.
Exactly. No way that we'll ever say that we like winters, no matter how much we bash summers right and left. But there's a thing in our heart that knows that we love summer.
Yeah. And Nidharpan, it's not like we're getting that summer tan. Here the tan is just patches,
Yeah.
kalapan, your slipper. I have a slipper which has like a front strip and a side strip. So let's say I've gone out during those hours, I'll come back with the shape of the slipper on my foot.
I can visualize that.
God. Well,
Mine.
that's not enough because Poonam and I, when she was here in my hometown at around 2 p.m.,
Mm.
it wasn't as scorching sun back then. But it was still a little scorching.
Hmm.
We went through a cable car up a mountain and then ate dosa.
Oh my god, yeah. In that cable car also, the sun was a little bit scorching. That I was feeling the heat.
Yeah, her foot was dancing. She was dancing left to right, left to right. I'm like, what's wrong with you? And then we started the downward journey, and I sat in her place, at her place, and then I was like, mm-mm.
अब बता तू बेटा, अब बता.
But something else is also out there.
What?
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है? Bros balling, guys. I was a fan of Modi ji. I'm an even bigger fan.
Oh my god, have you seen the pictures? I showed it to my mom and I was like, they are having a very good pre-wedding photo shoot done.
I mean, come on, and
Italy.
in Italy, and for them to see the memes, to see the internet, to figure out what the internet exactly wants, and then making those kind of jokes. And guys, if the prime minister of a country can see the memes and take a chocolate across these continents to give to a fellow world leader, and your man's not making an effort to pick up your call, what are you even doing?
Break up with him.
Exactly, break up. I mean, I don't know. We don't get into that bit of politics of what, why, and when.
Yeah.
But the gesture was so cute. And bro's balling. He's not stopping with the reels. First, there was like a meetup reel. Then there was this balcony photo shoot. Then there was a selfie from President Meloni. And then there was like a reel from her. And now he's put like this entire reel of his 2-3 days, whatever. I don't remember the number of days exactly. Kapura visit to Italy. And that was so cute. Modi ji is such a pookie.
Seriously, at first I thought she gifted him, and then I searched the internet, and then I was like, he gifted her melody. And dude, he remembered. He remembered that this melody signifies something.
Stop, I'm gonna cry.
Wow, yeah.
Did you see how
Love
people?
the pictures, by the way. I just love them. I was like, nobody can click such good wedding or pre-wedding photo shoot than these two.
Yeah.
Whether or not they're getting married, not married, we don't care. But then also, me and my mom, we were talking that, do you think that they will get married or at some point, or is this going to get somewhere? And of course, it's not going to get anywhere. But then my mom was like, देखना बिरादरी बिरादरी में होती है. She's a prime minister, he's a prime minister. And I was like, wow, man.
Mm. You know how doctors get married to doctors? That kind of
Doctors.
stuff.
Exactly. I should get married to an MBA. That's my highest degree.
Yeah, you.
No, sorry. I almost forgot. I should get married to a founder because we
I
are
was about to say that. Yeah, think about that again.
yeah. We should get married to our respective founders.
Yeah, thank God you said it out loud. Respective.
Respective founders.
Respective. We'll then go on double dates.
Wow. We'll then buy a mansion with 2 villas and beach mein there will
Yachts.
be 2 swimming pools. Oh my god.
Oh my god. And then our respective founder guys, men, will buy yachts in our name, like Poonam and Muskan, and on bottom of both of them or above both of them will be written Saturday Calls Pod. And we'll be inaugurating them together. Can you please buy those yachts in Monaco?
Fly those yachts.
No, can we please buy them in Monaco, in the waters of
Yeah,
Monaco?
wherever they want, they're buying. No, it's not us. No, it's a gift for us.
Okay, wherever you guys are, take hints. We
Yeah.
want it in Monaco.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I want a plot in every country, but yeah, wherever you wanna take us.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm looking for a man in finance. Trust one. 6'5", blue eyes.
Oh my god, I'm okay with 5'7",
I mean, yeah.
considering my own height.
Poonam would make that pair with a 6'5" guy. You know, in Kissing Booth, it was Jacob Elordi and that girlie.
Exactly, exactly. नहीं भगवान,
Oh God.
ऐसे बराबरी में ही करवाना भगवान जी.
बिरादरी हाइट में भी होती है.
हाइट के बिरादरी में भी, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि इतना छोटा. 5'7" इज माय बेस हाइट, वो ठीक है.
5'8", so you're good in the range of 5'7" to 5'8".
Yeah, 5'7", 5'8" is fine.
Okay.
I can't reveal, but whichever feet I am at, उससे 4 इंच 5 इंच लंबा होगा तो चलेगा, because then I'll wear heels, no?
Yeah,
So
you got it.
after I wear heel, I should be again with that man, like looking very good in posture and everything.
Aligned. If I see a guy taller than me with my 6.5 inches, then he's already having honestly an edge.
Exactly. See, we have similar thoughts. We have similar calculation also.
Exactly. Hence the pod, baby.
Yeah.
What else? What's new? What's going on? Kya chal raha?
Well, I have something and I just saw it, I think, an hour ago. And I just thought that I'll also bring up that question. Maybe you have an answer.
Spill.
So, we know that Mrs. Rouse and Mr. Prowse are having a baby.
Yes.
Yeah. So, there is one pod, another pod, by the way, guys. We listen to pod for our research purpose. So, another pod, there were two ladies and they had a valid question. They asked, these two are having baby, she's a supermodel, but what does he do? What is his occupation? Where is he minting money from? How are they going to raise their kid?
Isn't he an actor?
I don't know. As far as I know, his brother is an actor.
Yeah, his brother's an actor.
What about him?
He's an actor too, as far as I know. I mean, I'm not talking about Zack and Cody. Post that.
Yeah,
I think he's done all these, what do you say, the side rom-coms, like This Beautiful Wedding, Under
I'm
Fire,
sure-
Aftermath.
Are you sure it's not his brother and it's him?
Yeah, it's him. But those movies weren't really like Wuthering Heights or those kind of pretty not so loud movies. But he must be minting money out of some investments.
I'm hoping so.
Yeah, because what's his net worth? Let me search.
I checked his Instagram account and he has a total of 9 posts. And out of those 9 posts, there's this one post about the pregnancy announcement, and the rest of 8 posts has some kiddish, cartoonish drawing in it.
Oh.
Can you imagine?
Oh, that's weird.
Exactly.
Somebody is saying, I mean, the internet is saying that his estimated net worth is approximately $5 million to $11 million. He is the best known for his, of course, Zack and Cody, and he's also owning the Brooklyn-based All Wise Meadery or Meadery. What's that? Meader. Yeah, don't even know how to pronounce. It's a dedicated facility or business where honey wine is produced. Bro has old money. The hell ही हमने तो ऐसे कम समझ लिया.
Okay, I feel better now.
Yeah, he has a honey wine something place where it is produced.
I'm speaking as if I'm going to take care of his baby. कि हाँ बेटा तू नहीं कर पाएगा, चल मुझे दे दे.
I mean, the wife's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a very important question next to that.
Okay, shoot.
I am just obsessed with baddies and girlies in a very straight manner. I'm very straight with all my love, respect for everyone in every way. Whatever you use to pronounce yourself with. I'm talking about myself. I am straight. But I love I mean, you know how they said if a guy comes and says to me, you're nice, I'd be like, okay, whatever. But if a young girly pop, or I remember I was at this party. Okay, it was a Diwali party. We were all dancing, we were all having fun, and then there's this girl next to me. She comes and says, babe, can I take a moment to tell you your aura is so powerful? And the kind of compliment that she's given, she has in a way talked about my look, she's talked about my energy, she's talked about the fact that I am a fun energy to be around. So do you also think as girls are chasing the girls' gaze?
Of
female
course,
gaze?
100%. Why do you think I post after an eternity just to get comments from you guys?
Yeah, I mean something about the fact that when a girly, appreciates you. I think I've spoken about it in some previous pods as well. That when I was back in Georgia, the
Yeah.
beautician, okay, she said something like that, and it's been months, and my day is still made when I think about that. Something about the female energy is so goddess. It's so wonderful that you feel so validated and nice, and just, oh my god, this baddie thinks that about me. Like, I've already put her on a pedestal for being a female. Above that, she's a baddie, has a personality, and now she's complimenting me. So
Imagine.
imagine. Exactly.
Exactly.
Oh, stop! Basically saying
What is
Catherine.
this similar low crack voice?
Oh god.
Oh, that's
Oh,
insane.
I was about to say, oh
But
my god.
yeah.
Then I heard you saying, oh my god. I'm like,
But yeah, that's a very accurate thing to say. That all over internet and also in real life, I don't think girls are actually dressing up and making themselves look good and all that thing they're doing for guys anymore. Yeah, there might be situation when they're going for a date. That is the time maybe they're dressing for the date as well as for themselves.
hmm.
But I feel I'm dressing for the next girl who can come across me and be like, dude, your dress is so nice.
Yeah. And sometimes when even younger girls in social settings, like, Didi, and I'm like, stop.
What there this one reel, it was almost like that I'm having a rough day throughout, and then suddenly my girlfriend posted a picture and I'm slay queen, and again going back to my rough day.
Clay Queen reminded me of. Did you
Yeah.
see how everyone on the internet is just trolling Sufi Motiwala?
मेरे को तो कलेजे में ठंडक पै गई भाई.
Exactly. And there was this one reel that the guy was rating him in his voice only. ये तो मैं यहाँ पहन के चले जाता. This is looking that. मैं okay, love you, bye. Like that. I mean, for someone to critique the entire industry, people across the industries, among various industries, and then to come up like that.
Exactly, and his outfits in that show, what was that, Traitor,
Hmm.
it was so basic. I mean, he could have pulled something better. And no, actually, I'm wrong. He can never pull anything better.
Exactly.
He
Also,
doesn't have that aura.
clock it. Mommy just said it. Clock it. You cannot rock anything unless and until you don't have that aura. Talia koi nahi rokega. Let's go. Also, like, I think Apurva posted a story or something that अगर तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि तुम मेरे hater हो तो यार making stickers,
I know where you're going.
then spill it. Head. दोस्त का
भाई मैं
दुश्मन,
आपको स्टिकर बनाती हूँ.
दुश्मन का दुश्मन दोस्त होता है.
Oh my god, she was really absent in last 1 month, and I got worried. I was like, what happened to her? Then yeah, she told everyone that she went to Bali.
I kind of expected that she might be out somewhere.
Yeah, you know what? This morning only, I was thinking that I should take a social break because Instagram, like my Instagram account has been all over, and all I can see, like my Instagram account has a very positive energy into it. But lately, I don't know what happened. I'm actually getting a lot of negative content in terms of all the that Twisha Sharma thing happened. So I'm getting constant news around it, and then some other bunch of boys coming and ranting some girl for no reason just to prove their toxic masculinity, and then some girls. It has become a very,
Your algo is picking up that direction.
gross place to be, and that has kind of affected me in a way that I'm also thinking that, okay, what if it happens to me, what if that whole what if scenario has started to taken place. So that I thought that no, dude, I need to take some social break, at least from my account. I have other account also to stop people, but from my account I should thoda sa, it needs to fix itself, and I'll come back. And of course I have my brand's account wherein I can only see American girls having the life of our dream.
Yeah.
I'd like that.
maybe in the, you know, those memes, maybe in the next birth we're just
Yeah.
Firangi Nepo kids.
And all them are wearing such good clothes, dude. I just
What's
don't.
trending? What's trending in the American clothes?
Actually, lately, low waist jeans is trending over there, and
Yeah.
they're rocking it, like rocking it.
Wow. I don't know. I don't feel the confidence in low waist jeans. Although I know someone from college, she's my junior, and she looks phenomenal in low waist jeans. I've never really seen anyone except her wear, you know, slay low waist jeans like that. She's also got a belly piercing.
Wow, I think you can pull it off.
What?
Yeah, because you have long legs, and then you have a very, what do I say, toned area.
I need to rush back to Pilates to get that toneness back, which I am not doing because of something that I ranted before. Guys, before starting this podcast, I've ranted left, right, center, literally bashed and screamed. And then, as usual, mommy helped me out.
That's been normal. Like we ran to each other so often. आज ये हो गया, आज वो हो गया. There's that.
Yeah. I think we have set the standard. वो कहते हैं ना, हमने पराकाष्ठा कर दी है एक दूसरे के साथ काम करके कि काम इस रूप में होता है, ये कार्य होने की पराकाष्ठा है कि अब उसके अलावा anything below that or we're just feeling off.
Every pod, Muskan will bring some or the other Hindi alag word, and I'll have no clue about it. What is parakashta?
Give a guess. कार्य होने की पराकाष्ठा. Give a guess.
Benchmark.
Hey, yay!
Oh.
Benchmark and like epitome. Like we've said the epitome
Oh.
of what a good work ethic looks like. And anything below than that, we're just feeling it's so shallow.
हाँ, exactly. And that's what we are aspiring to be.
Yeah.
एक बार हमारा स्टूडियो खुल जाए बस.
And uske khulte ही will frame something that Poonam's
Yeah.
bestie has said. Okay. She said, all the Saturday calls, because she said Saturday talks, and that's completely fine because the thing that she kind of, you know, resonated it with, I got so impressed. She said, I hope Saturday talks becomes the talk of the town. And I'm like, I'm gonna get that framed. I was so impressed.
I was reading that when I was in Lal Kila yesterday.
Wow.
I was smiling throughout, and the writing was actually good. Kudos to her. Shout out to her because I always taunt her that this is okay, this is that. But there's this one couple, Aishwarya Mohan Raj and Akash.
Yeah.
So we love them. I mean, I used to love them, but I don't right now. But she loves them from the beginning, and these two write such cutest aesthetic long caption for each other, and I mean, oh my god, it
Aw.
takes my heart away. I'm like, dude, where am I going to get my Akash? It's so wholesome. It never feels cringe. That's the main point. It's so wholesome.
Wow.
So this post reminded me of that writing, and I was like, Akash is was a writer from AIB, and now running a fucking company, and she has matched that level. So I'm very impressed. But I'm not
Wow.
impressed with videos.
Oh, come on. The first photo, she had 300 months. How many months?
I told her, I was like, what is this? She's like, मेरे इसमें views नहीं है. मैं कहा गंदे photos डालेंगे तो views कहाँ से आएंगे?
Guys, she put like an entire picture. You know how kids these days are getting photo shoots for turning 1 month, 2 months. I don't know how she's generated a picture of Poonam and she's like wrapped in baby cloth, ekdam proper, tight burrito wrapping, and around her are some objects and the number of months that she's been existing. I mean, that's like so creative. Wow.
But yeah, that was nice.
It was cute. I kind of sobbed while putting your birthday story, and I've put that song like na 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 na. You're the only friend I need. Ding 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 ding. ding. I kind of sobbed, and the video with you, I remember laughing so out loud on that night with you.
Yeah, I saw that story and I was rewatching, like it was replaying at night because I was just smiling while looking at both of us laughing and singing the songs, and I was like, wow, that was the time.
And in that song, in that song, for everyone's reference, when Poonam was in Udaipur, we went out for this live music dinner, early dinner kind of situation. Wasn't early. obviously dinner situation. So in that song was playing मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में, and then it goes like पर अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा उखड़ा रहता है, and then he says something, तो ऐसे ही पर अफसोस ये है कि वो मुझसे बहुत माइल्स दूर रहती है.
My God.
Wow, what a time to be alive.
Seriously. We'll make more videos to come.
Touch wood, touch wood.
Yeah. I've also saved few more. We'll make everything.
No, no,
If
no, 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 no. That's such a niche thing.
there's so many more. I want to, that this one trending audio that's not very recent, but it's that orange soda one. I feel so shocked and betrayed right now. That one.
You should try the orange soda.
I imagined me, you, and our Berlin friend, our NRI friend, to do that because, of course, you both won't have orange soda.
Of course we won't. We'll order the strawberry soda. Which is so obvious because we both like pink drinks and you like the orange drink. Wow, that audio wasn't just made for the three of us.
Exactly. No. So I saved the audio. I was like, we'll make it next year.
And that meme that audio, I think it was from Gossip Girl. I don't know if it was from
Was
Gossip Girl or what. We're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed it. Yeah, it was from Gossip Girls, no?
I don't
XOXO
remember.
Gossip Girl.
This is from Gossip Girl, but this orange soda thing, I'm not sure.
No, not orange soda. This one. Hey guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you.
Yeah. I love every time Christian Bell said, hello, Upper Sider.
Wow. Someone says Christian, I can already only think about Nobody Wants This.
Nobody wants this. I know.
Yeah.
I couldn't finish that.
That's the only series I've finished within a week or something, except Stranger Things. I've finished 4 seasons of it with an injury on my foot.
I have never been so happy in my life, but the moment I convinced, I think 2-3 people around me to watch Stranger Things, and they have watched it and they have commented me back that, dude, it was a cult one.
Yeah.
Then I was the happiest.
I would have felt so. I mean, it's one of the joys of living that you watch Stranger Things. It's that good of a show. I loved the first 2 seasons. I think third season was my most favorite one. I think we can do. What?
I loved third season the most.
The season where there was the mall, right?
Yeah, the mall one.
Yeah.
It had everything, like romance, then thriller, then comedy, then action.
Yeah.
Full packed one.
I mean, this season they introduced Robin. We knew for a fact that she's here to teach a lesson on, you know, love yourself, be yourself.
And that song, turn around, look at what you
Oh wow. And do you remember they had to like, what's the code? What was the name? Susie.
Yeah, Susie, some Planck's something, some Einstein shit. They were saying.
Yeah. No, Dusty Poo, you have to sing me the song. And he's
Yeah.
with Erica. He takes him. Oh my god.
He's like, Susie Poo, it's very urgent. It's a life death situation. Sing it, Dusty Bun. I love her.
Wow.
She's like, भाड़ में जाए तेरी दुनिया. पहले तू गाना गा मेरे लिए.
तू मुझसे प्यार करता है नहीं करता है?
हाँ, बता तू पहले.
Exactly. Wow. Prime Minister one side, Susie and Dusty one side. It's all about love, guys. Love everyone. Love yourself. Just spread love. Let's go.
And we love you.
Yeah. Our beautiful viewers, listeners, love you.
Love you.
Yeah. Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye.
You're dead, God. And who am I? That's one secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.